Hi, I'm Mike from Ram Clutches, and today I just want to give you a quick little video to help clear up a little bit of misinformation about the Ram Concept 10.5 and 9.5 clutches and where exactly those fit in different applications and flywheels. The first thing to keep in mind is that the 10.5 and 9.5 designations, those just designate the size of the disc. So a Concept 10.5 unit is going to have a 10.5 inch disc. Concept 9.5, 9.5 inch disc. What really matters when you're trying to select how to make these things fit is picking the proper unit to fit the bolt pattern on your flywheel. And there's a real simple way to measure that. We've actually done a video that I'm linking here in the corner that will help guide you through that in detail. But essentially all you're going to do is just take a ruler and go across the bolt pattern on your flywheel to whatever particular pattern your existing clutch is going to bolt to. That's going to give you a number that will reference back to in a couple different locations. Now, one of those will be a chart that you can reach on the website on all the concept units, and again, here's a link you can get to reach to that. Other than that, it's really pretty simple. If you have an 11-inch clutch existing now, you're going to pick one of the units that uses the 11-inch mounting patterns. If it's 10.5 now, you're going to use one that fits the 10.5 patterns. That works for Chrysler, for Ford, and for GM. Another little tidbit just to keep in mind, Chevrolet GM does use the 11 and 12-inch bolt patterns. It's the same pattern, it's the same measurement across, and again, you'll get that from that video that details measuring your particular flywheel. Any other questions, feel free to email us, ramtech@ramclutches.com, or just check out the tech area and support area on our website at ramclutches.com.